Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes with me at an actual newborn session, and I am so excited for you to get to shadow me virtually behind the scenes and see how I swaddle and wrap baby, see how I pose and photograph baby alone, and how I pose and photograph baby with the family. This is an in-home lifestyle newborn session. I am a lifestyle newborn photographer, and I mainly do photos in my clients' homes, but also sometimes outdoors or in studio as well. So before we go ahead and get on to location, I actually have a free download for you guys down below. It is the top 10 poses for lifestyle newborn sessions. So that has just tons of info on you and really specific details about how to achieve some really beautiful photos for your newborn clients. So go ahead and download that. And then if you are a newer photographer and you're struggling with your camera settings for in-home newborn sessions, that is something that a lot of people struggle with, even if they are used to shooting in manual, because personally at my newborn sessions, I do not use any type of artificial lighting. I use all natural lighting. And so it can be hard to figure out camera settings for that when you are not using any type of lighting, and maybe sometimes the homes don't have very good natural lighting. So anyway, go ahead and download that camera settings cheat sheet if that's something that you need as well. And let's go ahead and head onto location at this newborn session.
Is saying happy birthday to everyone.
Nice, okay.
Saying, like, making sure I stay in contact with people.
Yeah.
Even if it's a, like, automated message that, or text that
Yeah, you can schedule text or emails.
Let's link you up this week.
Yeah,
I mean,
nice.
in there called gift ideas.
Okay.
Just put it, and I put their name next to it.
Yeah.
But there's got to be a better answer.
And then, yeah, you can just like mermaid legs. Just trying to decide if I wanted to move that train car, but. Oh, yes. I love your hair too. No, he can be there. Yeah, that's really cute.
Aww. Is this your sister?
Oh. Mm-hmm. How'd you come up with a name? Was it a family name? Or you just liked it?
It was really difficult, to be honest with you.
Yeah, names are so hard. Do you do it based on meaning?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I coached gymnastics for a long time, so I try to pick a name that is.
Take some pictures of your sister. You're gonna be in them after you finish your cheese stick. Oh, makes sense.
Go sit with Aunt Jay. Finish our cheese sticks first. Finish our cheese sticks.
That's sweet. Okay, I'm just gonna move this one little thing over here. It's gonna bother me.
Do you want this move too?
I think that's cute. I think it can sit where it is.
Finish cheese stick first. Finish cheese stick for you.
You do your nails?
I at least took the nail polish off.
Yeah, so it's not like.
Yeah, I cannot show my right hand.
Okay.
That's how fine it is.
Yeah, just like rub her like chest right there or toes or anything. Yeah. So I'm doing some photo and some video. So some movement is good.
Yeah, this is like your first photo, and you write your nose again.
Okay, and then I'm gonna do a really close up of her feet. Can I just have you like maybe put your hands underneath and just like rub her toes? Yes. Oh. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to front. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Do you like having a baby sister? Can you give her one more kiss? Give her a kiss on the nose. So sweet. Good job. Can you pet her right here, like Mom was just doing? Oh.
Hold it there for a couple seconds. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2. Look at her eyes.
Yeah.
Look at your baby sister's eyes.
Oh.
Baby sister's 1, 2,
Good job.
3.
It's so cute. Okay, I might just keep her swaddled, and then let's see. Let's do let's do some standing ones just like in the corner right here.
Okay.
With all 3 of you.
Okay. Cross your eyes, Jessie.
Okay, I'm gonna try to bring her up here just a little bit more, like by your cheek. Yeah.
Like, let me hold her.
Yes. There you go. Oh.
Bailey, come here.
Oh yeah, bring Bailey in there.
Sit down, baby. Turn around. Turn around. Sit.
Turn around.
Bailey.
Turn.
Hey, sit.
Yeah, you can get her.
Sit. Stay.
Bailey, Maverick. Can you give Daddy a big hug? You want to give him a big hug? Oh, can you kiss Mommy on the head? Do you want to kiss Mommy? You want to give Mommy kisses? Oh, so sweet.
You kiss me for 3 seconds.
Wow, oh, so cute. Can you touch Mommy's nose? Where's Mommy's nose? Do you see it?
That's Mommy's nose.
There's your nose. Where's Mommy's nose? Yeah. And let's see.
Scooch up a little bit.
Do you see baby sister's nose? Can you show it to me? Where is it? Can Daddy bend you over so you can give baby a kiss? You want to give baby a kiss? Oh. Oh, so sweet. Can you kind of like airplane him into baby gently and then he can like give her a little kiss?
Ready? You can give her a kiss. 1, 2.
Yay, let's do one more. Can we do one more kiss? Oh, so sweet. And do you like to go on Daddy's shoulders? You want to go on Daddy's shoulders?
Hold on. Let me do it. Let go. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Ready, set,
Okay.
Wow. What is happening? Oh, you're so tall. Yes. Oh, sweet. And then, can you look right here at my camera, Maverick? Maverick, hi. Can I have a big smile? Hi, Maverick. Oh, you're doing so good. Can you kiss Daddy's head? Can you kiss Daddy on the head? Wow. And can you kind of like tip him over and he can give Mommy a kiss right here? So come over to this side and then can you give Mommy a kiss on the head?
Hold on, lean.
Wow. Oh. Okay, and then I'm going to do one video. So we're going to do that one more time. Can you lean over? Can you lean over and give Mommy a kiss one more time? What is happening? Whoa. Oh, so cute. Down. Okay, we can get down.
1, 2, 3. Woo.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to do one of just Mom and Baby here. This is really sweet. So just turn towards the light a little bit. Like turn your belly button this way a little bit and then scoot back a little bit. So there we go. Perfect. Yes. And then just like bring your cheek right next to her cheek here. Oh, yes. Oh, so beautiful. I'm going to bring your hair a little bit over your shoulder. Oh, that little tongue. So cute. She's like, what is happening? That's so cool. You still have it.
Yeah.
Do you wear it every day? Or just on like special occasions?
Phases,
Yeah.
Wear it
Yeah.
for weeks.
Wow. Okay, just looking down at baby there. Perfect. So sweet. Oh.
Is that the sound of the camera?
Oh. Can I have you scoot down this way a little bit and you're just going to put like your nose on her cheek right here. Oh wait, actually I really want to get a picture of that really cute ear. While we have it. Oh, that's so cool. Is there a name for that? I know she called it butterfly.
No, yeah, I know.
It's just,
We have no idea.
that's cool.
She came out, we were like, what?
Okay, so I'm gonna have you just like put your nose right here. Is that what my camera's saying? Oh, so sweet. And then I might just like move her arms a little bit. Let's see. There. Oh, so sweet.
You want to help? Here, I got you. Give me your hands. Help. Yeah. He's like, is anyone gonna help? Come on, baby.
Oh, actually, can you set him right behind Mom, and he can just like give her kisses on her cheek? Can you come?
Mommy kisses on her
Can you
cheek.
come stand behind Mom and give her a
Mommy
kiss on her
kisses
cheek?
On her cheek.
Can you come give Mommy kisses? Where's her cheek? Wow. Can you stand up and give her kisses? Whoa. You give her kisses? Oh.
Sweet.
Okay, and then can I have you just like nose boot baby kind of repeatedly like that? This one's going to be a video. Oh, that's cute with him there too. Yes. Oh, that's so cute. Hi. Okay, let's bring Dad in there. So if you can just kind of like spoon behind Mom so your head's kind of like right on top of her head. Yeah, and then he can be in there too. Do you want to maybe sit right here or do you want to
sit in front of Mommy?
Yeah.
Sit right here.
Right next to baby sister.
Right next to baby sister. Make sure she's safe, okay?
Yeah.
Can you sit?
Oh. Do you love having a baby? You love having a baby sister? Not so sure. Okay, what if you come stand over here right behind Mom? Can you do that?
Ooh.
You're trying to lay down like baby sister. Can you come stand up here behind Mom and
Come
lay?
here.
You can lay your head on Mommy's shoulder.
Come here. I'm gonna help you. Come here. Lean over here. Oh. Okay.
Come here, baby.
Can you
Oh, I want to see your face though.
go on your knees?
Whoa.
Kneel down on your knees. On your knees.
Where are your knees?
Go ahead. Kneel down on your knees.
Wow.
That's right like that.
Yeah, come here.
Yes.
And look up at
Oh, can you give me a big smile? Big smile, big smile. Good job. Okay, perfect. One thing I'd love to get is just like everybody's faces stacked on top of each other. So if we could try to get his head like right here in between you guys, that would be so cute.
Okay, let's see.
Might not work,
Like-
but if we can,
like
just
this?
they don't have to be like literally on top of each other, but just kind of in a straight line.
Rest your head on Mommy's head, okay? Rest your head.
It might not work.
It's not gonna
Can you can you come put your cheek on Mommy's hair?
Yeah.
On her ear?
Can you
Can you put your ear on Mommy's ear
put
or your
ear
chin?
together with Mommy's ear. Put this ear on Mommy's ear.
Can I show you?
Let her show you.
Can you stand up
Yeah, let her show you.
can you?
Oh boy.
Let her show
Okay, can
you.
you stand on your knees or sit on your knees?
On your
There we
knees,
go.
on your knees.
And then put your cheek right here on Mommy's cheek. Okay, Daddy might have to help hold you. And then Daddy's gonna put his head on your head. Oh, that's so cute. I think we got it. That was really cute. Yes.
Did we do it?
Did we do it? That was so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. And then can we get Dad just like laying behind Mom again? He doesn't have to be up here if he doesn't want to. Perfect. And I'm going to tuck this in one more
Sorry,
time. No,
guys.
you're totally fine. And you're just going to kind of stack your head on Mom's head or lay your head, like rest your temples together. Oh, that is so cute. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, I'm going to scoot her down a little bit just so we can get a little bit more light on her face. There we go. All right. Yes. Oh my. And then try to bring her hands down so we can see her face a little more. Oh yeah, maybe just like hold her hands right there. That's cute. And then one more time. Perfect. And then Mom looking down at baby and then Dad just like putting your nose into Mom's hair right there. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then just like turn to look at each other and go in nose to nose. Dad, give Mom a kiss on the forehead. Yes. Oh, perfect. Okay, and then can you give her one more kiss on the forehead? So sweet.
So I hope you loved getting to see me photograph a little bit of this newborn session behind the scenes. And don't forget to download those 2 free guides that I have for you down below. My top 10 poses for lifestyle newborn sessions, and then my camera settings cheat sheet for in-home newborn sessions. And then also if you want to dive even deeper into all of this and watch this full newborn session behind the scenes, the one that you just saw, as well as another full newborn session behind the scenes, you can go ahead and jump into my new course for photographers called the Lifestyle Newborn Academy, where I teach you literally everything that you need to know A to Z about photographing lifestyle newborn sessions, from wrapping to posing to camera settings, camera gear, how to start a client closet, newborn safety, and literally just everything that you would need to know from start to finish, from prepping your sessions, shooting the sessions, and you'll get to shadow me at 2 full newborn sessions behind the scenes. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful for you guys, I would love for you to dive into that. So the link to that will be below as well.